if you're a beginner and having trouble making chords, fretting chords, you keep encountering that muting sound, okay? Here is a good technique. Forget the chords first. Let's just use one finger for now. And let's try to fret a note. Let's use the second fret of the first string, okay? Put your finger on the surface of the string, like that, and notice, yeah, it's muted. That's how you mute strings, okay? Now gradually increase the pressure. So when the string sounds clear already, that's the time you stop adding pressure, and that's where you stop, and that's where you know how much pressure you need to fret a note. Okay, so here, adding pressure. That's it, and you'll notice, and you'll realize that it's not much pressure. That's not much. Here, from no pressure, adding pressure. That's it. And I stop adding more pressure. We don't need that anymore. If you are a beginner and try to fret it right away and squeeze it too much, aside from bending the string, it will go higher than the actual note because you're bending it too much. You're gonna hurt your fingers. Look at that. I already have that line. So the best way is from no pressure and then gradually increase pressure until the string plays correctly. And you notice, you realize that's not much pressure. So that's the concept, okay? That's the idea. So when you're fretting now, let's say you're fretting a D, you're gonna apply it with all your fingers, or yeah, you're gonna use that technique to your fingers. So here, no pressure from D. I stick my fingers together as a group like this instead of look at this. There's gaps in between my fingers. That's not good. Stick them together. Slant your fingers a little bit. This. Then gradually increase pressure. There. You can feel how much pressure you need. That's not much. Okay. So no pressure, gradually increase pressure. My third finger, good already. My other fingers, my second finger, not yet, so I add. Good, first finger. That's it. So I hope this helps you out. So good luck with that. I'll see you in the next one.